Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up website on Canva. I'll be showing you how to create the website for free. I'll also be showing you how to add navigation bar, as you can see right here on your Canva website, and so much more. Now, the first thing you want to do if you don't have a Canva account as yet, you're going to need to create one. You can do this for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Once you have created your account, below the search bar, you are going to tap on websites. After selecting websites, you can see there are numerous options you can choose from. You can select a portfolio website, event website, or education website, or retail website, as you can see right here. There are numerous options you can select. Let's say, for example, we were to select portfolio website. Once you have done that, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, at the moment, our website is blank, as you can see right here. But because we selected portfolio website earlier, the templates that they are showing on the left-hand menu option are examples of portfolio website. And with these templates, you'll be able to quickly create a professional looking website. All you'll need to do is find a template that you like, tap on the template, then you can preview it so you can see that this one has 9 pages. If you would like to change the template style, you can do that, and you can see similar templates to it. So all I would need to do is tap on apply all 9 pages. After I've done that, you can see that it has been added. So if I were to tap on preview in the top navigation bar, you can see how the website looks at the moment. Now, once you have added your template, if that is what you'd want to do, you can go through and you can edit each section by simply selecting it. So for example, I could change the text right there and I could type in simple answers for example's sake. So I can do that real quick right here. After doing that, if it is a case that you would like to change the font style or size, you can do that by simply tapping right where you see Bogart on my screen, and you can choose a different font style. You can also change the font style, so you can change the size right there if you want. And if it is a case that you would like to add effects to it, you can do that by tapping on effects right here from the top navigation bar. And then from there, you can see numerous effects options that you can add, as you can see right there. So it is completely up to you. You can customize the text to your liking. So let's say, for example, I would like to change it to this. Then you can also change the picture. All you need to do is tap on the current pic. After you have done that, you're going to see 3 dots, and from there you can choose to either delete the picture or you can choose to upload a pic. To upload a pic on your website, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on uploads, and then from there you could tap on upload image or video, and you can upload the video or photo that you would like to add. Once you have done that, you'll simply drag and place it where the current photo is. Then you can scroll down and you can continue editing each page. So you can do that. And by the way, if you would like to know how to add the navigation bar that I was showing you earlier in this example right here, all you'll need to do is tap on a pencil that says notes, and from there you are going to name the pages. So for example, the first page will be called the home page. Then we're going to scroll down, and this is going to be called the bio page. So we'll tap right here. So we're going to select the page, tap on add notes, and that will be called the bio page. So it is tied to the home page, so leave it as is. Then we're going to select this page. I'm going to be calling it the bio page. Then we'll scroll down and select the 4th page right here, and we can call this just brand. So we'll call it brand identity. And you can continue naming each page by simply selecting the page. You can continue naming each page. And by the way, there is another way how you can add pages to your website. For example, if I were to scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on add page, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here you could tap on design in the top left-hand corner. After tapping on design, you could tap on layouts. After selecting layouts, you can see different layouts that you can choose from. So let's say I would like to create an About Us page and I would like to use this layout. I can simply select this layout. Then from here, I could call this my About Us page. So I could type in About Us right here. After doing that, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Uploads, and from here you could upload the images that you would like to use. So you can simply drag and place the images as you can see right here. So I could drag and place the image. So let me do that real quick. As you can see right there. After doing that, you could edit the text. And by the way, if you would like to make one of the pictures clickable, or if you would like to interlink pages, all you'll need to do is tap on the picture, then tap on the three dots that says more, then tap on link, and from here you can scroll down and you will see all of the pages on your document. So let's say whenever someone clicks on this picture, I would like to redirect them to the brand identity page. I can do that by simply tapping on brand identity. So let me show you again. Select the picture, tap on the three dots that says more, tap on link, then scroll down a bit, and then from here you can select the page that you would like to add. Once your website is to your liking, you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner and you'll be provided with a free domain name. At the moment, this is how our website looks right here. So you can see right there, and we have our navigation bar. And if we were to scroll down and for example tap on this picture, you can see that it is linked back to a page. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button